Marhaba, this is Sama from Kalila, where you learn Arabic the right way through our website and application. To know more about Kalila, visit our website, kalila.com. In this video, we're going to dig deeper into the Arabic language and start talking about Arabic grammar. Today's topic is subject pronouns. Subject pronouns, ضمائر الفاعل in Arabic, play a crucial role in indicating the performer of action in the sentence. They represent the subjects and are essential for effective communication. Now, let's get to know the types of subject pronouns. There are three types of subject pronouns: first-person subject pronouns, second-person subject pronouns, and third-person subject pronouns. Let's start with the first-person subject pronouns, or as known in Arabic, ضمائر الْمُتَكَلِّم. They represent the speaker or the person referring to themselves. For example, the singular form for I is anaa, which is used by both males and females. It is a straightforward and essential pronoun that allows individuals to express themselves in Arabic. Let's take a look at the first-person subject pronouns with examples. I, anaa. It's used for both masculine and feminine in the singular form, as in أنا أحب العربية, which means I love Arabic. We, نحن. It's used for both masculine and feminine in the plural form, as in نحن سامي وكريم, which means we are Sami and Kareem. The second-person subject pronouns, or as known in Arabic, ضمائر المخاطب. They are used to address or refer to the person or people being spoken to. For example, in the singular form, the pronoun you for males is أنت, while for females, it's أنتِ. These second-person subject pronouns establish a direct connection between the speaker and the listener and are fundamental for effective communication in Arabic. Let's explore the second-person subject pronouns in Arabic and see how they work in action. You, أنت. It's used for masculine in the singular form, as in أنت لطيف, which means you are kind. You, أنتِ. It's used for feminine in the singular form, as in أنتِ لطيفة, which means you are kind. You, أنتما. It's used for masculine and feminine in the dual form, as in أنتما لطيفان, which means you are kind. Attention! If you don't know what dual is, then head to Kalila and learn all about it in our grammar courses. You, أنتم. It's used for masculine in the plural form, as in أنتم لطيفون, which means you are kind. You, أنتن. It's used for feminine in the plural form, as in أنتن لطيفات, which means you are kind. The third-person subject pronouns, or as known in Arabic, ضمائر الغائب. They represent individuals or objects being discussed. For males, the pronoun he is expressed as هو, while for females, the pronoun she is represented by هي. In the plural form, the pronoun they for males is هم, and for females is هن. These pronouns allow for clear identification and reference to individuals or groups in Arabic conversations and writing. Now let's check out the third-person subject pronouns with some examples. He, هو. It's used for masculine in the singular form, as in هو جميل, which means he is beautiful. She, هي. it's used for feminine in the singular form, as in هي جميلة, which means she is beautiful. They, هما, it's used for masculine in the dual form, as in هما جميلان, which means they are beautiful. They, هما, it's used for feminine in the dual form, as in هما جميلتان, which means they are beautiful. They, هم, it's used for masculine in the plural form, as in هم جميلون, which means they are beautiful. They, هن, it's used for feminine in the plural form, as in هن جميلات, which means they are beautiful. Here also you can notice that in Arabic the third person subject pronouns differ depending on if the party that's being talked about is singular, dual, or plural, and whether the subject is a masculine or a feminine. To conclude, in the world of Arabic language, subject pronouns play a vital role in communication, from the first person pronouns representing the speaker to the second person pronouns addressing the listener, and the third person pronouns referring to individuals or objects. These linguistic elements are essential for expressing oneself accurately. Visit Kalila, as there is much more to be discovered about subject pronouns, their variations, and their usage in different contexts, in addition to other grammar courses and much more, only to provide you a detailed exploration and comprehensive learning experience. Thank you for joining us today. That was it for subject pronouns in Arabic. We hope this video was helpful. To know more, you can subscribe to Kalila through our website and application and enjoy the 7-day free trial. Salam.